Hi everyone. We are going to talk about strings in this video. We have done a brief opening of string on previous lessons, so we know string is a non-primitive data type. In Java, data types are categorized into two main groups: primitive data types and reference same non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are the basic data types that store simple values. Examples include int, char, boolean, double, etc. They are directly supported by the language and are not objects. Non-primitive data types are more complex data types that are used to store references to objects. They are not directly manipulated, but instead store references to memory locations where objects are stored. Now, when we say that a string is a non-primitive or reference data type in Java, we mean that it is not one of the basic building blocks provided by the language itself. Instead, it is implemented as a class in the Java Standard Library. This class provides a rich set of methods and functionalities for working with sequences of characters. Strings are immutable, meaning that once a string object is created, its value cannot be changed. Any operation that appears to modify a string actually creates a new string object. This immutability has implications for memory efficiency and thread safety. We said, the string class provides a variety of methods for manipulating and extracting information from strings, such as charat, substring, to uppercase, to lowercase, and many more. For example, to uppercase method returns a new string with all the characters converted to uppercase. If you write hello with all lowercase and use this method, output will be hello with all uppercase. Now let's create a string. I have already created a class name as string example. Please don't forget the select main methods checkbox, which is shown public static void main while creating a class. Without main method, your code is not executable inside the main method. We write string, then we can give a name, like I am saying, my string. Equal, then I should write something inside double quotations. I am writing hello. Then finish my code with semicolon. When I run it, output will be hello. To print it, we need to use system out print line, right? It is used for outputting text to the console. And simply write the string's name inside parenthesis. Also, let me show one methods for manipulating the string. In this string, if I want to get whole letters as uppercase, I can just use to uppercase method. So let's just copy-paste this print line and change the second print by adding uppercase method. Even if you write dot next to the string, you will see a bunch of methods. I will show you uppercase method, so I am choosing to uppercase. And when I run it, it will give all the letters uppercase. Now let's quickly copy-paste print line again and change the method with to lowercase. In this case, we see all the letters are lowercase. These methods are really fun part of Java. We are going to learn each methods in future lessons. I just wanted to show you how to manipulate string with this example. Strings are fundamental and versatile in Java programming, serving as containers for sequences of characters. They offer a rich set of methods for manipulation, allowing us to concatenate, extract substrings, and convert cases with ease. Thanks for watching.